Today I'm going to show you how to do a cleaning cycle on an Epson Expression Home XP2100. This is ever so simple and can be done from the printer itself. Now this is ideal for resolving print quality issues like striped prints or even missing colours. So what we do is a single button press, it's this one just here, and we're going to hold it down until the green LED over here starts flashing, which is about 5 seconds. So here we go. Flashing, so we release. Now from here, we'll hear our printer making a lot of noise, chucking backwards and forwards, as you can probably hear now. And this will carry on for a minute or so. When the cycle is complete, the LED over here will stop flashing, and you'll know you're ready to carry on as normal. After the clean is complete, we'd recommend doing a nozzle check to check the results of your clean. And we've got a method for how to do that found in a separate video on our channel. But that's about it. I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.